Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Bestie cloth glass is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, especially if you're tired of streaks and smudges on your glass surfaces, offering a remarkable way to achieve a crystal clear finish without the need for harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, making it an eco-friendly and efficient solution for maintaining a sparkling home. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 2-pack. Introducing our premium microfiber cleaning cloths, designed to tackle dust, oil, and smudges. They leave surfaces spotless without scratches or lint. Perfect for your eyeglasses, these cloths ensure crystal clear vision. They are the ideal stocking stuffer for anyone who wears glasses. Keep all your screens, from phones to TVs, looking pristine. It's the ultimate solution for all your screen cleaning needs. Each cloth comes individually sealed in a poly bag, ensuring it's always fresh and ready for use. Experience quality protection with every use. Its delicate craftsmanship makes it perfect for a wide range of delicate surfaces. Use it on electronics, lenses, mirrors, and more without worry. Achieve magical results on the things you care about most. Trust in our quality for a superior clean. What we like. This cloth is sourced from the highest quality microfiber. It absorbs and removes dust, oil, smudges, fingerprints, and dirt without leaving scratches or streaks. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner for all your delicate surfaces, from glasses to screens to car interiors, this is the one for you. What people say. They do a great job cleaning without leaving lint or scratches. I've used them on glasses, phone screens, kitchen counters, and even stainless steel surfaces, and they work perfectly every time. They absorb well and leave surfaces streak-free. These particular microfiber cleaning cloths still work as well as they used to. I always enjoyed the softness, size, and the results. They do an excellent job cleaning CDs, computer screens, and TV screens to my cleanliness standards. Number 4. Care Touch Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 6-pack. Introducing our premium microfiber cleaning cloths. They effectively remove dirt, dust, and smudges without leaving any streaks or scratches behind. Our cloths are designed for safe use on all types of lenses, whether coated or not. They offer a soft, chemical-free solution for your everyday cleaning needs. Crafted from elite microfiber, these cloths trap particles for a thorough clean. You can trust them to leave no lint, dirt, or residue behind. Each cloth is individually wrapped and sized at 6 by 7 inches, making them perfect for use at home, work, or while traveling. These versatile cloths are ideal for eyeglasses, camera lenses, phone screens, tablets, and more. They are an essential part of any cleaning routine. What we like. This option offers effective cleaning for glasses without streaks or scratches. It's designed for safe use on both coated and non-coated optics, providing a gentle, chemical-free solution. If you need a convenient and travel-friendly cleaning cloth for your eyeglasses and other delicate lenses, consider this pack. What people say. No smudges in either case. Normally, under the same cleaning process, when I use some old, 3+ years, dry and or even pre-moistened lens cleaning cloth on the lenses, no matter what I do, I'd end up with smudges. Soft, cleans well, no worries about scratching the surfaces. Also, washable. These cloths work great for glasses, scopes, screens, you name it. Soft, streak-free, and high quality. Number 3. E-Cloth Microfiber Window Cleaning Cloth Kit. Introducing the E-Cloth Microfiber Window Cleaning Cloth Kit. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces with ease. This versatile cloth is perfect for more than just windows. Use it on mirrors, car surfaces, lenses, and even eyeglasses for a crystal clear finish. Tired of smudges and streaks? Our advanced microfiber technology ensures a perfect, lint-free clean every time you wipe. Save money and reduce waste. This cloth is machine washable and designed for repeated use, making it an eco-conscious choice. The Alaskan Blue microfiber is gentle on surfaces but tough on dirt and grime. Experience a superior clean without harsh chemicals. Keep your home and car looking its best with this essential cleaning tool. It's the simple solution for a brilliant shine. What we like. This kit provides a streak-free clean for glass surfaces. It's machine washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you're looking for an effective and sustainable way to clean windows, mirrors, cars, and eyeglasses, this is an excellent option. What people say. Just wipe and dry with the drying cloth and windows sparkle. Quick and easy. Upon arrival, I tried this set on my living room French doors and was absolutely delighted with results. Used only water, wrung out cloth well and washed as demonstrated in company's video. Wonderfully effective, so easy to use. Little kids' fingerprints vanished using only water. This is the best cleaning cloth for glass that I have ever seen. It is a decent thickness, absorbs water well, and dries very easily. The color is green and easily stands out from other towels I use for other things. One good cleaning with this cloth and your window and/or mirror is clean. No smears. No having to redo over and over to get your window or mirror clean. Number 2. MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Introducing the MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. It's designed to leave all your delicate surfaces perfectly clean, without any scratches or streaks. Crafted from extremely high quality, soft microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs dust, oil, and smudges. You can trust it to clean without leaving any lint behind. Each cloth comes individually packaged in its own poly bag. This ensures they remain like new and ready for immediate use whenever you need them. You can safely use it on any delicate surface, including TV screens, smartphones, and camera lenses. It's the perfect companion for all your electronic devices. This set includes oversized cloths, perfect for cleaning larger surfaces and screens with ease. They are also conveniently sized to fit in your bags or cases. Looking for a practical gift? These make excellent stocking stuffers or presents for anyone who owns a tablet, camera, TV, or smartphone. What we like. This cloth is made from extremely high quality, soft microfiber material. It absorbs and removes dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints without leaving scratches or streaks. If you need to clean larger surfaces like TV screens, monitors, or windows, its oversized design makes it perfect. What people say. The cloth is generously sized, making it easy to clean large surfaces without leaving streaks or lint behind. The microfiber material is soft yet effective, gently lifting dust and fingerprints without scratching delicate surfaces. After several washes, it still performs like new, maintaining its softness and cleaning power. Number 1. E-Cloth Range and Stovetop Cleaning Cloth. Tired of stubborn grease and grime on your stovetop? This cleaning cloth tackles it all, even over 99% of bacteria, using just water. Its unique textured side lifts stuck on food and tough grease without scratching your surfaces. For lighter messes, simply use the smooth side. Forget messy pastes, sprays, or single-use wipes. This cloth is activated by water alone, making your cleaning routine simpler and healthier. Ditch the paper towels and plastic bottles. This premium microfiber cloth is designed for longevity, guaranteed for 100 washes. Achieve a spotless cooking space with minimal effort. It leaves nothing behind but water and a brilliant shine. Perfect for stovetops, range hoods, ovens, and microwaves. It's the versatile solution for a cleaner kitchen. What we like. This cloth is designed to trap and remove grease, grime, and stubborn spills. It cleans over 99% of bacteria from stovetops and ovens using just water. If you want a powerful and eco-friendly cleaner for your kitchen appliances, especially greasy stovetops and ovens, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Everything came off and no streaks in less than a minute. With this e-cloth range and stovetop cleaning cloth, we just use the damp scrubber and wipe with the polishing cloth, and shazam. It's sparkling clean with no smudges, nothing. It's mind-boggling. This is a tough cloth that is still somehow so soft on the hands. Picks up any and all dirt, is very good quality and washes well. One side is soft and the other side has alternating striped, soft, gritty, making this the ultimate multiple purpose cloth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.